Bagong DJ controller na nilabas ang Allen and Heath. Traktor users, you're gonna love this. This is the Zone K3. It's the follow-up to the Zone K2 released back in 2012. Oh my gosh, 13 years yung agwat nila. So it's basically a MIDI controller with 4 faders, merong knobs, may encoders, pati may buttons that you can use to map with any DJ software or even production software like Ableton Live. Maliit yung footprint niya, kita naman slim yung form factor, so it's very portable, plus it's easy to set up too. Yung original na Zone K2, paborito to ng mga techno DJs katulad ni Dubfire, Richie Houghton, pati si Chris Liebing, who still uses this controller setup to this day. Yung reason ko bakit gustong-gusto nila yung OG na Zone K2 kasi sobrang customizable niya when it came out back in 2012. Imamap nila yon sa Traktor, tapos they can take control of their live performance using a pair of Zone K2s. Ngayon na in-update na ng Allen and Heath, naglabas sila ng Zone K3. It brings some new improvements including USB-C connectivity para mas compatible siya with newer laptops and other smart devices. So, if you are a techno or a deep house DJ, tapos gumagamit ka ng Traktor or Ableton Live or similar software, you're gonna wanna check out the Zone K3.